Making money in the stock market involves buying shares to gain from price increases, capital gains, or receiving company profits, dividends. The best approach for most involves long-term investing, diversifying through index funds or ETFs to reduce risk, and reinvesting earnings for compound growth. Core ways to make money: capital gains, buying stocks at a lower price and selling them later at a higher price. Dividends, receiving regular cash payments from company profits, which can be reinvested to buy more shares. Strategies for success: invest for the long term, avoid needing to sell during short-term downturns. Holding over many years allows for compounding. Diversification: invest in a variety of industries. Dollar cost averaging: investing a fixed amount regularly, for example monthly, regardless of share price, removes emotional decision making. Research and understand: only invest in businesses you understand. Getting started: repay high interest debt. Establish an emergency fund. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses and savings. Choose an account. Open a brokerage account, many of which allow for low minimum investments. Now here are some tips for you. Don't chase stock prices. Invest in the business. Stock prices are very volatile, which means the stock prices move up and down a lot. Be a long-term investor. Buy a stock at attractive value and hold it for a tremendous rate of return. Focus on the fundamentals. Time in the market, not timing the market.